Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Turkosina and I hope all of you will be fine. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Android phone which is locked by password or pattern. So I have an Android phone, Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini, and I'm locked and my this phone is locked because it's protected by pattern security and I don't know the exact pattern to unlock my phone. So today I'm going to show you how to unlock that pattern without any software, without any root. So it has one condition. If you want to unlock your Android device which is protected by pattern or password, to be you have to reset your phone, and all of your phone's data will be erased or wiped. So let's get started. Well, this is my phone. As you can see, I have locked. I try to open my phone, but I since I have forgotten my pattern, it does not allow me. So here it says try again in 23 seconds. So some phone needs Gmail account, but today I'm going to show you the easiest way of this. Okay, uh, so just turn off your phone. In some phones in some phones you have to press volume down and up button both, and in at meantime at same time you need to press the power button too. But this is Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini, so it works different phones have different ways to bring up that reset screen. So my phone is now, I turned off my phone, so just be patient until it's shut down completely. Okay, now it's shut down completely. So what you're gonna do is just in this phone volume up button works, and in some phones the down volume down button works. Uh, in some phones the this both volume down and up button works. So in this phone the volume up button works to bring up the reset screen. So I press the volume up button, press and hold the volume up button, and also the press and hold the power button, which brings up the reset screen. So as you can see, okay, once this screen pops up, just press the menu key, and you will get this screen where it says reboot system now, apply date from SD card apply update from SD card etc. But what you can do is select this one, wipe data or factory reset. Once you have select this one, press this button. Okay, after that this screen will pop up. Just select the yes, delete all user data, and then click press the menu button. Okay, press again. Now okay, it's now wiping our data, formatting data. Okay, now our data wiping is completed. It says data wipe completed. Okay, now what you're gonna do is reboot your system. Now just select the reboot system now, this one, and press the center button or menu button. Okay, now our phone is rebooting. Just wait for its restart. Okay, as you can see now, I don't need to give pattern or password etc. Now my phone is completely unlocked, and that's it. This is your phone. If you have locked, okay, that's it. that's how you can bypass your forgotten pattern or password. So okay, so that's how you can bypass your forgotten pattern or password. So I hope you understand that. Sorry, my English is a little bit weak, but I have tried my best to make you know, and I hope you understand that. And thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. See you on my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.